Welcome students, I am Utpal Adhikari, mathematics teacher of Badar Model School. Today I will discuss chapter number 4 of class 9. In the previous day we have solved the chapter 3, that is coordinate geometry. We will discuss about the chapter linear equation in two variable. In class 8 we have learned linear equation in one variable, and class 9 it is linear equation of two variable. Student, first we have to understand every term of the linear equation and variable. First we classify, in descriptive way we learn these three terms. What is equation, what do you mean by linear, and what do you mean by variable. Okay, now in the first class, that is polynomial, that class has been taken by UKD said that the term polynomial means, what do you mean by polynomial? Polynomial in short is right, poly and n. Okay, what is polynomial? For a mathematical algebraic expression having power of each variable non-negative integer. It means non-negative integers. Okay, these expressions are algebraic expressions are called polynomial. For an example, px equal to x square plus 2x plus 7. When powers are variable are non-negative integer, non-negative and integer, those algebraic expressions are called polynomial. Now, and the power which are non-negative integer, on the basis of power we can classify the polynomial in 3 or 4 parts. That is, in the first part, if power is 1, highest power, degree means highest power of the polynomial. If power is 1, that is linear polynomial. Okay, so one thing, linear polynomial means the power of the degree, not power, degree of the algebraic expression of polynomial is 1, that is linear polynomial. So linear means if the highest power of that expression should be 1. That linear identify, that is. Next, that is linear polynomial. For an example, x plus 1, that is linear polynomial. Next, these are the examples of linear polynomial. Next, what is equation? What is equation? Okay, equation means a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions which involve one or more unknown quantities. So, a statement of equality of two algebraic expression or algebraic quantities, that is, for example, in this side I have taken x plus 7 and in the right hand side 2. Okay, equality of a statement of equality involving two or more quantities having some variables, or that is unknown quantities, variables or unknown quantities, then it is called equation. Okay, now we have to learn what is variable. What is variable? That equation, I have said that a statement of equality which involves some unknown quantities. That unknown quantities are called variable. Means a statement of equality of algebraic expression having two or more quantities. Okay, that is equation. So equation must have an equal sign. Now, from the polynomial, how we can get a equation? Polynomial we have learned, that is x plus 7. If that polynomial equal with anything, any other expression, for an example x plus 2x plus 3, that is the equation. Okay, so from the polynomial, if I add a equal sign with polynomial and two algebraic expression are in two sides of the equal sign, then we can form an equation. That is the equation. Now, that equation I have in the definition of equation I have told that a unknown quantities. What is that unknown quantities? That unknown quantities is known as variable. Okay, variable means the unknown quantities which are used in the equation. X plus 2 equal to 0, that is a linear equation. Why it is a linear equation? Power of x 1. Okay, and the which is the unknown quantities here? They are x, algebraic expression, a constant, equal to and 0. The unknown quantities is x, that is variable, and variables are generally denoted by alphabet, English alphabet, like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, in this way. Okay, in this way, that using algebraic English alphabet, we denote the variables. Okay, so now it is clear what is linear, what do you mean by linear, the word linear, what is equation and variable. That is the explanation of these three words. Okay, so linear equation means if the variable have highest power 1, x plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, here variable is x and highest power is 1, that is linear equation. Y plus 7 equal to 2, these are called linear equation. Linear equation must be that highest power of the variable should be 1, that means degree equal to 1. If that portion is a polynomial and degree of that polynomial equal to 1. Now linear equation in one variable, that linear equation in one variable we have started it in class 8. Okay, now I am discussing a little bit that what is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation means the power of variable should be 1, and if that equation contain only one variable, that is linear equation in one variable. X plus 2 equal to 0, that is linear, and general form of this linear equation of in one variable, that is ax plus b equal to 0, where ab are real number, and x is variable. Okay, so the general form, and x a not equal to, must not equal to 0. X, if it is x a equal to 0, then it is reduced to a b equal to 0. Okay, that is not an equation. Any real number not should be equal to 0. Okay, and that variable, if a equal to 0, then variable will be missed. Then general form of linear equation in one variable is x plus b equal to 0. A, b are the real number and x is the variable, a must be 0. This is the general form of linear equation one variable. For an example, x plus 9 equal to 0. If I convert it, it means a equal to 1, b equal to 9. A means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 1, and that b is equal to 9. Comparing these two equations, so we can conclude equal to 1 and b equal to 9. Now what is the solution? We will discuss about the solution of linear equation in one variable. Linear equation of one variable, it means I write an expression that is ax plus b equal to 0. What is the solution? Solution means we have to calculate the value of x. That is the solution. Value of x is the solution. If I have you are asked to find the solution of this equation, then you have to calculate the value of x. Now, if any value which satisfies that equation, if any value of x satisfies that equation, that is the solution of this equation. Okay, I am taking an example. X plus 2 equal to 0. This must be a linear equation of one variable, and only one variable is used there, that is x. Now put minus 2 in place of 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0, that is right hand side. So that minus 2 which I have put in place of x, that minus 2 satisfies the equation. That's why minus 2 is the solution of that given equation. Okay, and remember one thing, solution of linear equation always unique. Always unique. What do you mean by unique? That equation other than -2, any value cannot satisfy the equation. Only -2 can satisfy that equation. That's why it is that linear equation have unique solution. Okay, got it?
Tap.
Okay. Now next topic, that is linear equation of two variable. Linear equation of two variable. Now the general form of linear equation of two variable, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is the general form, where a, b, c are real number and a and b must not equal to 0. Other than 0, the value of a and b will be other than 0. If a and b equal to 0 of anyone is that between a and b anyone is 0, then it reduces to a linear equation in one variable. Okay, so the linear equation, general form of linear equation two variable, that is x plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number and a and b not equal to 0. A and b are not equal to 0. Now next topic, what is the our in the business is about on solution of equation, how to solve the linear equation of two variable. Now ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that is the linear equation of two variable. Two variable means how many variables are there? X and y. That's why two variables, and a, b, c are the real number. Now in this equation we get two values. Two values means 2x, y. Order pair. Order pair. In coordinate geometry you have learned order pair. That is coordinate of any point 2, 4. These are called order pair. Okay. Any value of x and y which satisfy the equation in both together, x and y both together have to satisfy this equation, that a order pair is called solution of this equation. I am taking an example, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. First of all, it is linear equation. Why? Power of x 1, power of y 1. So maximum degree, that is 1. Maximum degree, maximum power, that is 1. That's why it's a linear equation. Now if I compare this with the general form of x plus by plus c equal to 0, general form of the equation will get a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 2. So a and b are not equal to 0. So that x plus y minus 2 is a linear equation of two variable. Now we have to find out the solution. Solution means I am taking a number 1, 1. If I put a number in, that is x and y, if I put x equal to 1 in this equation, y equal to, that will be 1 plus 1 minus 2, that is 2 minus 2, 0. So that 1, 1, that 1, 1 is the solution of this equation x plus y equal to minus 2. That is the solution. In another case, I have told that in case of linear equation, that is the linear equation have unique solution. But this is not true for linear equation of two variable. Linear equation in one variable, unique solution. Linear equation in two variable, the solution is not unique. I am taking an example. That is okay, y minus 2x equal to 0. Y minus 2x equal to 0. First, reduce it into general form. What will be the value? Minus 2x plus y plus 0 equal to 0. So value of a minus 2, value of b y and value of c 0. That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now what will be the values, or what is the solution of the equation? Okay. Okay. I am taking that an order pair, that is 1, 2. If I put 1, 1 x and y, that is 2 minus 2 into 1, 2
2 minus 2, 0. So that is the solution of this equation. And in such way, that is, if y equal to 4 and 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 4 is also 0. That is also the solution of x. In such way, we will get many solutions. So many solution means linear equation of two variable have infinitely many solutions. Linear equation of two variable have infinitely many solutions. So student, in this chapter we have discussed the basic concept of linear equation of two variable. In the next class we will start the exercise in 4.1. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of BMS. Thank you.